Do you want to attract more potential customers to grow your tourism business? Facebook and Instagram ads are an excellent way to reach and target people who have not yet heard of your tourism business. Hi, I'm Pamela, and in this video, I will show you how to get started with Facebook and Instagram ads to boost revenue and get you more customers. First, go to your Meta Business Suite account, previously known as Facebook Business Manager, on your desktop as mobile version has limited functionality. Go to Tools and then Ads Manager. This will bring you to your Business Manager account, which will be empty to start with unless you've ran an ad before. First, enter your business's basic information, such as your name, address, and card details for billing. Now, let's set up your audiences so you can target people who are most likely to become your customers. You can choose from two types of audiences, saved and custom. Saved audiences are great for targeting people who've most likely not heard of your business before. You can target them based on age, gender, and location, as well as their interests. Let's say you're an activities provider of a hiking and equestrian tours along the Wild Atlantic Way. You could create a saved audience choosing people who live in Ireland, men and women aged 18 and up, and who are interested in hiking trails. You can also create a custom audience. These are people who have previously engaged with your content. For example, they might have liked an Instagram post or watched one of your videos on your Facebook page. To target people who've engaged with your Instagram content, go to the source and then select the options you need. Once you've defined your audiences, you can then create your ad. First thing you need to do is decide on your ad objective. When you're just getting started, the most important ad objectives for your tourism business will be driving traffic to your website and increasing your views on your videos. For example, if you have a great video promoting your hiking tours business, you can use it in an ad to get more people to watch it. Then, you can run a second ad targeting a custom audience of people who have watched that video. For this, you would use a traffic campaign to drive people to your website to book a tour. You can then select the budget you want to spend per day or over a specific time frame. Facebook will alert you if the budget you entered is too low for your campaign objective. Your budget can differ, but in this case, let's set it to €10 per day for your traffic campaign. Now select a saved audience you want to target with this ad. You can add one or several images or videos, depending on how many offerings you want to showcase. Let's say you want to promote a hiking tour you run during the summer months. Now add a caption. Keep it short and to the point. The image or the video you're using should tell the story. Summarize the main points and don't forget to include a call to action or what you want your audience to do when they see your ad. Don't forget to add a link to your relevant website page, if for example you want your audience to book a tour there. Pick an enticing button to go with your ad that best suits your call to action. And that's it! You're ready to publish and reach more potential customers for your tourism business. It is important to monitor how your ads are performing over time so you can make necessary adjustments. But it's best to let them run for about a week before making any major changes to collect enough data and spot the trends. And there you have it. In other videos, we will cover how you can best set up your Meta Business Suite. I'll see you next time.
And don't forget, for more great tips, resources, and insights to further fuel your marketing success, be sure to visit our business support hub at vaultireland.ie.